Most sentences have a subject and an action word. The bird sang. The subject is what the sentence is about, like a person or thing. Oh, that's me! I'm the subject! Yes, the bird is the subject, and sang is an action word. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. The bird sang. Explore the different action words. Sits. Olo is so active. Explore the different subject words. Rhea. We all love to read. Which word is the subject of the sentence? Sandy draws a picture. Draws. Remember, the subject is who or what the sentence is about. Which word is the subject of the sentence? Sandy. Good thinking. Which word is the action word in the sentence? Sandy draws a picture. Draws. Good work. Which word is the subject of the sentence? He rides a bike. He. Great. Which word is the action word in the sentence? He rides a bike. Rides. Great job. The subject of this sentence is we paint the wall. Tap the subject. We. Awesome. Complete the sentence with an action word. We. A hole. Dig. You made the sentence. We dig a hole.